This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Put the copy AirPods Pro in their charging case and open the lid. This wakes their pairing mode. On your iPhone, turn Bluetooth on via Settings or Control Center so it can scan. Make sure no other Bluetooth devices are actively connected to the iPhone, otherwise the copy earbuds may not appear. Once the case is open and the iPhone is ready, proceed to the button press step to force the copy AirPods into discoverable mode. You now put the copy AirPods into discoverable mode by pressing and holding the setup button on the case for approximately 5 to 10 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. While holding, watch your iPhone's Bluetooth list. If it doesn't update, toggle Bluetooth off and on quickly to refresh the scan. When the copy AirPods name appears, tap it to initiate pairing. If the iPhone asks for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234. Otherwise, accept any system prompts to complete the secure connection. You finish by confirming the connection in Bluetooth settings and playing audio to verify left/right channels and mic function. If pairing failed, reset the copy AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the LED cycles, then repeat the discoverable and pair steps. Make sure your iPhone is updated and reboot it if problems persist. Software conflicts often block pairing. If audio is intermittent, forget the device on iPhone and repair to clear old
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.